So there's the corn. There's one of them. One of the first one that came out. One of the things that I learned is that how do you know the corn is ready? When you see the tassels, you can see right here. When they first came out, you want to wait about 20 days for the corn to be ready for you to be able to get it out and know it's ready. As you can see in this one, there's lots of ants. It's like the ants are all over. So this one looks like it's about ready. Let's take a look. You can see the corn right here. I'm not trying to make sure I don't get bitten by the ants. Normally when you press with your thumb and the corn, got some ants in my hands, it should be popping a little, should be a little milky. So this one seems like it's over ready pretty much um, for you to get it out to cook it. I'm gonna show you some of the other ones I have. This one right here looks like the tassel is kind of brown. That's when you know that it's ready. Seems like it's kind of ready. Of course, these two didn't give me nothing. No corn. So I have some watermelon right here. Watermelon growing. But this one right here, this one, you can tell it's kind of have two corns, one right here and then one right there, the bigger one. The tassel is not quite brown yet, so this one is not ready. And this one seems like second one it just started. And we have this right here. It looks like it's ready. I kind of checked it. This one also has some ants. See, you can kind of see a press on it. It's a little milky. That means it's about ready. And you have two big ones up there. These corns are so tall. Look, this is how tall it is. And then there's some more right here. So you see, you got some little ones, but you get some big one. This big one is so tall to look at that. This thing is about 10, 12 feet tall at least. There's no way I could reach the corn. Like, look at that. You see, I could barely touch it. But because the tassel is brown, that means it's ready. So I'm gonna try to get since this one don't have the ants like the other one, I'm gonna get it out. So we're gonna check it. Normally, all right, so we're gonna open it up and see if it's ready. Okay. Okay. So let's open it up and see. Oh, this one did not have nothing good. It has no corn. Look. Oh my God. For such a big corn, it didn't give nothing. This is crazy. Wow. I'm so disappointed. Let's try another one. Let's try this one. I want to get this one out without breaking the whole thing. Oh, so much ants. We're gonna try this out. Let's try this one. I got a bunch of ants on my hands. It's trying to bite me. All right, since the other one didn't work, we're gonna try this one. Take a look. This one didn't do too much better, but it had something, a little bit. Okay, kind of disappointed. Put this one down. Let's go try the other one over there I showed you earlier. Let's see. Okay, so I gotta be careful so the ants don't bite me. This one got, so they just got it out. So I'm gonna try to peel it off right here. Look at all the ants out. Ooh. There's so much ants. All right, let's try this one. Oh, this is what it looks like. Yeah, look at that. So that's what this corn looks like. It's just white corn. This one is it's pretty much hard. Yeah. So this is how you plant and harvest corn. You just basically plant it. I put like 2, as you can see. I put 2 together, 2 or 3 again. Some of them will come and give you some, and some won't. But this is what one of the ones I got. I was kind of disappointed to see the big tall one didn't give nothing. Very disappointed. Very disappointed. Yeah, the biggest corn didn't give me nothing. Look at that. Such a disappointment. Oh. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah. But this one would be ready if it was good, but this is what you get out of it. It basically give you nothing. So it's like 3 little corn. But guess what? I'm still gonna cook them. I'm gonna cook them and eat them. Okay? Let's see.